We go about our day-to-day life without understanding the things that are going around in our world. From all those big machines that generate energy or transform energy from one form to the other so that we can utilize it. Uh, from the smallest mechanism, like watching this video, without understanding how this video gets recorded, the data saved behind it, how life comes into existence, and why the gravity glues us to this earth. We go about our day-to-day life without understanding anything, and this book is an attempt to help us understand that. This is not the introduction to this video, but this is the introduction that was given by Carl Sagan for the book that I'm going to review today. So, welcome to another video. This is the series of book review, and the book that I'm going to review today is A Brief History of Time, written by Stephen Hawking. So, we go to about our day-to-day life without understanding a lot of stuff, and this book is an attempt for us to understand the cosmic perspective behind it. How the universe came into existence, where the universe is heading, the arrow of time, how the time is moving, and my one of my most favorite subject, and a lot of physics enthusiasts can relate with me here, the subject of black hole. So this book goes about all those specific things and gives us in detail. I would have previously mentioned, and if I didn't, then I'm mentioning now, Stephen Hawking's, Neil deGrasse Tyson, Michio Kaku. These all are authors whose book I like to read because the way they write those books is simply marvelous. A person, for a layman who does not know anything about this field, will get to understand what they are trying to convey. Basically, going back to an old adage, an old saying, that if you are not able to explain it to a 5-year-old kid, then you don't know anything about the subject. I suppose even a 5-year-old kid can understand this. That shows the grandeur of these authors, that they are so well qualified. So was Stephen Hawking, and I don't want to give any introduction to this particular book because this was his first bestseller, and it was a record-breaking bestseller that edged Stephen Hawking's in one of the best researches for his time. The success of this book was so immaculate that even normal people understood what he was trying to convey. So this book goes through various different aspects in its you know content, that is picture of the universe, space time or space and time. It is said to be the fourth dimension, space time. Most of the people think time as the fourth dimension, but according to theory of relativity, sorry, not relativity, according to theory of relativity, space-time is one singular dimension which molds when mass is higher on certain position, hence the gravity is born, and that is a topic for another video. But this book explains everything properly. It even speaks about elementary particles and the forces of nature. I hope you know what elementary particles are and what are the four fundamental forces of nature. If you don't know, then those are weak nuclear force, strong nuclear force, electromagnetic force, and gravity. And using those fundamental particles, uh, it goes towards unification of physics, and it gives you a proper conclusion. So any physics enthusiast who's starting to get into this field, this book is for you. The easiest available book to enhance your knowledge on this subject. So this was my review for this book today. If you have watched till now, then thank you for watching this video and have a great day ahead.